Hello, welcome to the second video of our JavaScript series. Now in this video we're going to look at some basic JavaScript functions. Now JavaScript is run within a web page, a HTML page, but the output sometimes can only be seen in the console, in the browser's console. Now if you're using Chrome browser, you can just go to more tools and then click on developer tools to load up the console. Now this is where the JavaScript outputs will be displayed, but the HTML outputs will be on our web page. Now the first thing we want to do is create our HTML page. Now you just go to Sublime Text or whichever text editor you're using and create a new file. Then you save it as a HTML file to your web directory. I'm going to use I'm going to use this as my website directory. I'm calling my home page index.html. Now save. First we create a basic HTML web page. First we go doc type. First we write down doc type HTML and then we close tags. Okay, this was generated by Sublime Text, but you can copy it if it doesn't generate automatically on your end. Now in the title I'm going to call it my first page, and then we move to the body where I'm going to create a heading. A heading will say hello world, or your heading. Then let's save this and see it in our browser. I know some of you are familiar with HTML, but if you have basic understanding of HTML language, it's enough to get through this. Now index, we pull it to our website and you can see your heading on our web page. Now the next thing we do is to embed our JavaScript code into our HTML page. Now we do that by using our script tags. Now the first way you can go about it is called inline method. You simply put all your JavaScript code within the script tags. You just go console.log, let's say welcome, and then use single, welcome to our first JavaScript video, and then you save that and we refresh our web page. Now if you look at the console area, you can see welcome to our first JavaScript video. It's in index.html on line 11. That's line 11, index.html. Now the other method we can use is by linking our JavaScript file to our HTML file. Now that method is more convenient because you have lesser code on your HTML file. You can put 5 to 10 programs that will each have up to 100 lines of code, and your HTML file will not have up to 50 lines of code. It will really optimize your space. Now I'm going to create a new file and call it, I'm going to save it as main, I'm going to save it as write.js. Now let's create a new directory for it. The directory will keep all our scripts. Now I'm saving write.js. Now in our write.js, I'm going to write console.log welcome to video 1 of 100. I'm going to save this. Let's go back to our index.html. Now to link this file, you can comment this out of the file. Now you comment by using /, single line comment. Then I'm going to change the script method into source, and then I'll reference the directory where the file is script/write.js. It uses the directory where the index.html is as our root directory. This is our root directory. Now from there we can go script/write.js. Now next I'm going to reload our web page and we'll see our output. Now you see the output in the console.log. You can see welcome to video 1 of 100. It's in write.js on line 1. Now another thing about the console area is that you can also write your code in the console area. I wrote that before, that's why it popped up when I started typing it. Now if you write this in the console area and you press enter, it will give you the output that the code will give you. If you say console.log 2 plus 2 to give you the output, 2 plus 2 is 4. Now this also serves like a compiler for JavaScript code. You can try any line of code in here, but you can't write a whole program in here. You can just simply try codes in there. That's something else it can do, but naturally if your output is missing from the web page, you can look for it here. Now thanks for watching the video today. I hope you hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll keep making more of these videos as the week progresses. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a lovely weekend.